In this video, we're working on the objective factor trinomials with a greatest common factor. The example says factor the polynomial, and we're given the polynomial negative 4x squared minus 28x minus 48. The very first thing we want to do is find the greatest common factor, GCF. Remember, the GCF is what each term will have in common and can be divided out. So we have three terms. The first term says negative 4x squared. The second term says negative 28x. And the third term is negative 48. Out of these three terms, we can divide each of the numbers by negative 4. So our greatest common factor is negative 4. So we're going to factor out the negative 4. So write negative 4 and then open up a parentheses. Remember, when we factor out, that's the same as dividing out. So negative 4x squared divided out negative 4 leaves us with just x squared. Negative 28x divide out negative 4 leaves us with positive 7x. And then negative 48 divide out negative 4 leaves us with positive 12. So first we started by factoring using the GCF, the greatest common factor, and we are now left with the expression negative 4 times the quantity x squared plus 7x plus 12. We want to keep going, meaning we're going to try to factor the expression inside the parentheses, the x squared plus 7x plus 12. So to keep my notation, I'm just going to focus on what's in parentheses. Remember, this is a trinomial because it has three terms. When we factor trinomials, we're going to use the technique, the product and the sum. So A is 1, so the coefficient of the x squared term is 1. The coefficient in the middle term is 7, and then the coefficient for the constant term is just 12. So remember, the sum is 7, and the product is 1 times 12, which is 12. So then remember, we say what two numbers can multiply together to give us 12, but add to give us 7. So you want to think about the different products of 12, so like 2 times 6, 1 times 12, etc. And you want to determine which product will add to 7. So we know that's 4 and 3, because 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So now we're going to come back to our expression. We're going to rewrite it. So don't forget the negative 4 on the outside. Open parentheses. And remember, because the leading coefficient is positive 1, we can go straight to our factor expression, and it'll be x plus 4, because 4 was one of the factors, and x plus 3, because 3 was the other factor. So this is now factored completely. The negative 4 was the greatest common factor. Then the expression quantity x plus 4 times quantity x plus 3 is x squared plus 7x plus 12 factored.